Hi everyone, welcome back to St Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. This video is a little bit different, kind of a compilation. Greatest hits version of St Blazey Model World, if you like. Believe me, there haven't been many, as my viewing figures will confirm. But we're doing a few different things at the moment, and I thought it'd be a good idea just to give you a brief update really on a couple of things that are going on. Some things that have been going on that haven't been re-featured on the channel, and also at the end of this video we've got a new announcement of something rather special, for me anyway, and I hope for you. So please stick around for that. Hope you enjoy it. As they say on all the best films, roll VT. And that will recreate the greased hinges. Now that sounds rubbish. God's sake, come on, get it together. Now, what are we doing here? Well, we're actually trying to refurbish a Mark I vehicle that was bought to... So that's my chicken drumsticks put into the oven, and absolutely delicious they're going to be. But what can I do with this? Well, the first thing to do is remove the cellophane wrapper here. We'll take that away and we'll give this a thorough wash out with washing up liquid. Remember, it has had raw meat in it. Well, there we are, that's that washed out. Now what? Well, now I've got a disposable tub ready to mix in my sculptor mould or my polyfiller or anything else that requires blending or mixing, and I really don't want to be bothered to clean this out afterwards. I just want to throw it away. So there we are. Now, back in February of last year, I produced a video about buying a second-hand kit from eBay, and I wanted to advise people about what they were buying and to make sure that they knew what they were buying and bidding on when they bought a second-hand kit. And there's a link to that video on the top right-hand corner of the screen now. The body of that London taxi was bright yellow, as was the bonnet, and some of you may have been wondering what's happened to that. It hasn't been finished, but this is how it looks currently. The bonnet is the same. I haven't got that here on camera, but this is the main body. I've installed the glass and applied the silver lining to the window frames, and little details like the boot lid catch there and the fuel filler flap or fuel cap, they're just silvered in. As for the rest of it, well, it's still as it was. Too many projects, too many things on the go. That's the way of many of us, isn't it? But that's how it looks at the moment, and you'll hopefully agree that it's a vast improvement on what I actually purchased. So the big news here on the channel is that I have undertaken what is going to be almost certainly my last commission project, and that is the building of a very small end-to-end 00 gauge layout for exhibitions. I'm not going to go into too much detail about who the work is for. Of course, that's a private matter, and there are certain aspects of this build that I'm not going to be covering on the channel. Things like constructing a baseboard, we all know how to do that, and if you don't know, there are more than enough videos on YouTube to show you. So that's it, and I hope that you're going to join us for that. It does mean, of course, that work on my own layout is going to fall by the wayside slightly, and that's a bit irritating, but it is the way it is, and this is going to be, as I said, my last commission work, so hopefully you'll enjoy watching that develop. That's it for this one. I know it's been something different. I hope you've liked it and enjoyed it. If you have, of course, please remember to hit the like button, and if you have time, As always, leave a comment and stay safe. We'll see you next time on St Blazey Model World. Bye for now.